Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the prospectus. What do you mean by prospectus? Means it is a legal and formal document which requires to file with the Securities Exchange Commission and which provides the full details about the investment information to make a sale to the public. And also prospectus it contains the full facts which needs to the investor to make an investment decision. The objectives of prospectus is first one is it informs about the formation of a new company. The main objective of our prospectus is to tell about the new companies going in the stock market, and also it serves as a written evidence about the terms and conditions. It will act as a written evidence document, and also it explains about the terms and conditions of the shares and also companies. And the important matter included in this prospectus is the name and addresses, occupations of the directors, which includes in this prospectus, and also the number and classes of shares and debentures issued. So equity shares and preferential shares, redeemable debentures or irredeemable debentures. What type of these documents is going to be issued by the company will explain in this point. And the amount for the minimum subscription. So minimum subscription and like preliminary expenses, underwriting commission, how much that we have to pay will explain in this point. And the estimated amount of preliminary expenses also. The preliminary expenses, how much of expenses are required to purchase shares will also explain in this point. And next one is statement in lieu of prospectus. So statement in lieu of prospectus which is not required for the private company, which will be submitted by the public limited company. The preparation of this document is also same as to the prospectus, and which includes the following points. The first one is share certificate, which includes the number of shares purchased by the shareholder, the amount is paid, and his address and his the name of the owner of this share certificate will included in this share certificate. And share warrant means it will issue the fully paid up shares only. And the common seal, every company has to maintain a common seal, that is the registered name of the company, and it will act as the signature of the company. And dividend means that is a portion of the net profit of a company which is distributed among the shareholders. And the minimum subscription means how much of amount is required to subscribe, like preliminary expenses or underwriting commission or like working capital and also repayment of loan. All these will explain in this minimum subscription. Transmission of shares means in case of death and insolvency of any shareholder, automatically the right of shares will be transferred to his legal heirs. And the underwriting means the person who is risked to purchase a specified number of shares or debentures of a newly floated company is called underwriter. For that, if he receives any commission for his exchange of services, is called underwriting commission. Thank you.